Hi friends, today I will be introducing you to a wonderful free software which will help you to clean the clutter from your computer or laptop and make it run more fast, more efficient. This wonder software is called as CC Cleaner. You can download it free from the internet. To download it, you can go to Google and you can type over there download CC Clean. You can download it from File Hippo. Lot of websites are actually offering you this file. So you can click over here and you can download the latest version from here. I already have this file on my computer, so no need for me to download it again. This is just to show you from where actually you can get this free software. See over here, as you can see, it is a freeware. What we do is, once installed, you click on CC Cleaner, and since it is going to run on your hard drive, it will, this is just a security warning, you can just ignore it by pressing yes. CC Cleaner has all these options available: the cleaner option, the registry options, the tools options. Let us quickly browse through all the options. The cleaner is the best option for cleaning all the temporary clutter, the temporary files that the computer has accumulated, the unnecessary garbage which is there on your computer has to be cleaned. Only then will it have more space and it can run more efficiently. You can click analyze to analyze them, and here you can see that on my computer all these files can be safely removed. I can click cleaner over here and just wait about 2 minutes and it has cleaned. Wonderful. Then the next thing what we can do is let us say analyze over here and see for the application nothing is there which can be removed. The next thing is the registry, which can be cleaned very easily with this software. Click on the registry and bottom over here you can see scan for issues. Click on this, and fortunately I don't have any issues. If there are any issues over here, it will show you all the issues in this particular box over here. You can select those things and click on the fix selected issues, which appears here on the right hand bottom side of the screen. CC Cleaner also has a tools option which comprises of 4 other options. The uninstall option, by which you can directly uninstall a program without going to the control panel. The start up option, which lists all the programs which are getting automatically started when you boot your computer. A lot of time it happens that the programs are not needed to be started at the beginning, because when lot of programs are configured to start with the beginning of Windows, your boot up is slowed down. Your computer will boot very slowly. To avoid all this, what you can do is, any program which you feel over here are not required as a startup program, you can disable them. Here you can see I have disabled a lot of them. In future, if you feel that it is required, you can always go and click a desktop up, come to the screen. For example, if I want to enable super anti spyware, what I will do is I will just click over here and I will click enable on the right hand side, and you see that the enable column is turned to yes. We can also do a system restore from here, and we can wipe out your drive. You can wipe out your drive. This is a dangerous option. I would recommend not to go ahead with this, but definitely you can use the startup and uninstall for all your needs. We have the options button. You can try out at your end, but nothing specific. The CC Cleaner itself comes with all default options enabled, so it is safe to ignore these options. So as I said, this is a wonderful software. It is free and it will help you to keep your computer always fit, always tidy. Thank you.